Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to test for a displayed and enabled element. There are times when Selenium has to wait until an element is available before performing an action. Other times, the element is available, but it is disabled until another action is carried out. That's the scenario with the following test script. The delete button is disabled, although it looks enabled. We must click a checkbox before clicking the delete button. We are going to test the delete button before clicking the checkbox and after clicking the checkbox. Inspect the delete button. And the value for ID is btnDelete. Copy the value, go to Eclipse. I already have the scripts to set up, turn down, load the AUT, sign into the application, and click the admin tab. Now we write driver.findElement By.id. Assign it to WebElement buttonDelete. Is the delete button displayed? buttonDelete.is. You see the description shows, is this element displayed or not? And returns whether or not the element is displayed. Do you also see how the data type is Boolean? That means it will return true or false. True is yes, and false is no. Is enabled checks if the element currently enabled or not. Returns true if the element is enabled. Let's select is displayed and assign it to a Boolean called is delete button displayed. Next, is the delete button enabled? Boolean is delete button enabled equal button delete dot is enabled. Let's print the answers. Sysout before click is delete button displayed and enabled. Skip a line, tab. Displayed equal is delete button displayed. Skip a line, tab. Enabled is delete button enabled. Skip a line. Let's run. Before click is delete button displayed and enabled. It is displayed but not enabled. Let's go to the AUT so we can inspect the checkbox. According to the Selenium locator rankings, we should use the ID value located in the input tag, but let's find the checkbox using the text function and XPath axes. Inspect the username, and it's located in the A tag. So we write 2/ A bracket text equal 2 single quotes Fiona.Grace. Bingo. The checkbox is located in the input tag preceding the username / preceding 2: input 2 brackets 1. Copy the value, go back to Eclipse. Driver.findElement by XPath. Paste the value. Click. We must check if the delete button is displayed and enabled again. If we don't check the delete button, our test script will maintain the same true-false values that was returned before clicking the checkbox. Therefore, let's copy is delete button displayed and is delete button enabled, and also the print statements. Change before to after. And run. We see before click shows displayed as true and enabled as false. After click shows displayed and enabled both as true. That's it for testing displayed and enabled elements.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.